Please, any questions so far? Okay. Guess there are no questions. I guess there are no questions. Okay. So you have, let's talk a little bit about this model or this framework. This framework. Very, very, very interesting framework. It's called the VIRO framework or VIRO framework. VIRO framework. VIRO framework. You know, and it's used to ascertain competitive advantage. It's used to ascertain competitive advantage. So if you look on the side, you see they are carrying a man and he's raising his hand. You know, so the VIRO framework is simply an acronym for value, imitability, rarity, and organization. You know, imitability, rarity, and organization, and value. So these are what you use to ascertain competitive advantage in relation to resources. So first of all, in first question you need to ask yourself is that, does the resource provide competitive advantage? That's value. Does it offer competitive advantage? Does it give value? Then imitability. Is it easy to imitate? Is it easy for competitors to imitate the resource or to acquire it? Is it easy? You know, is it easy to buy Lionel Messi from Barcelona? You know, or even get a player that will play at its level? That's imitability. The ability for a competitor to imitate the resource or acquire it. Imitate the resource or acquire it. Then you have rarity. Are the resources unique? You know, are the resources unique? So the VIRO framework is used for analyzing resources in relation to competitive advantage. You know, are the resources unique? Are the resources unique? Are the resources unique? Or there are similar resources? Everyone has some. You know, so for example, a unique resource would be Cristiano Ronaldo in football, or LeBron James in basketball. That's a unique resource. It's rare. Or Ronaldinho, rare. Then you have organization. Is the entity best organized to exploit its resources to its advantage? You know, it's talking about how well organized the institution is, because the way you are organized will determine how well you're able to exploit your resources. Very, very key. Very, very key. Very, very key. Okay, so that's the VIRO framework for analyzing resources. So if you want to check how valuable a resource is, these are the things you look at. You know, does it provide competitive advantage? You know, can you easily imitate it? You know, that's why for some employees, when they are leaving an organization, they beg them, please don't go. But for some, they even show them the gate. You know, that's imitability right there. Okay. Then let's talk about the strategic clock. The strategic clock.